In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DeepSeek server busy problem. If you're running into the server busy message, this guide will walk you through quick checks and simple tweaks that usually get you back up and running. Let's start by heading to a browser and opening Google. In the search box, type DeepSeek, then select the official DeepSeek website from the results to make sure you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, switch the language to English if it isn't already. This helps you see the correct buttons and labels. Now, click Start Now to launch the service and try your request as usual. If everything loads, you're good. If you see the server busy notice, stay with me. Sometimes the servers are just under heavy load. The easiest fix is to wait 5 to 10 minutes and try again. This gives the system time to clear up capacity. If your schedule allows, try again during off-peak hours, like early morning or later in the evening for your region. While you're waiting, avoid repeatedly spamming the page, as rapid retries can make congestion worse. Next, refresh or restart. On the web, perform a simple page refresh to re-establish the session. If you're using the DeepSeek app, close it fully so it's not running in the background. Then reopen it to start a fresh connection. To reduce strain, avoid heavy features until the service stabilizes. Keep prompts concise, skip unusually long chats or massive outputs, and pause any large uploads or complex multi-step actions for now. Lighter requests are more likely to get through when the system is busy. If you don't need it, turn off Deep Think or R1 mode. These advanced reasoning modes consume more compute, which can increase your chances of hitting busy errors. Look for the model selector or a settings toggle labeled Deep Think or R1 and switch to the standard mode to lower the load and improve reliability. Also check whether search is enabled. If it is, disable it temporarily. Search can trigger extra network calls and additional processing, which may contribute to the busy message. Turning it off keeps your request lean. If the problem still persists after these steps, reach out to DeepSeek's support team. Share the exact error message, a brief list of what you've tried so far, and clear screenshots of the issue. Including the time it occurred can help them trace what happened on their end and respond faster. That's it. Start at the site, try again after a short wait, refresh or restart, lighten your request, turn off Deep Think or R1, disable search, and contact support if needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back into DeepSeek smoothly.